Hello friends, here you are again with Ruchi Jain. Welcome to my channel Learn German the Easy Way. Here I am again with a new video which is conjunctions in German language. Before going further, let me ask you, have you subscribed my channel yet? If you haven't subscribed it yet, please do consider to subscribe it and learn this wonderful language. So, in this video, we are going to discuss conjunctions in German. Here on the screen, you can see few words: oder, und, sondern, aber, den. These words are used in German language to join two sentences. So, are you ready to learn this new topic? Let's go ahead. Before going further, let's first understand what is a conjunction. In German language, we call it Konjunktion. So, in very simple words, we can understand it in this manner. The meaning of word conjunction is the act of joining. Grammatically, it is a word which is used to join two words or phrases or sentences. There are different words used as conjunctions depending on the requirements of the sentence. Its function is basically to combine or to join two words or phrases or sentences, as I told you earlier. In German, these words are also called Bindewort or Fügewort. I hope this explanation has helped you to understand the concept of conjunction. So, now let's learn how to use these words to join two sentences. Let's go ahead. Now, these are few uh, examples of conjunctions. These words we use to combine two sentences very frequently. The first word is aber, which means but. Second one is den. In English, we know it as because or since. Third word is und, which means and. Fourth one is sondern, which means but, not only but also, or but rather. Fifth word is oder, which means or else, or isn't it. Let's go ahead and use them in few sentences. Let's see. Aber, but. Let's take this example. We go with friends. A simple sentence. Wir gehen mit den Freunden. Wir gehen mit den Freunden. Second sentence is you stay at home. Du bleibst zu Hause. Du bleibst zu Hause. Now let's connect these two sentences using but. We go with friends, but you stay at home. Wir gehen mit den Freunden, aber du bleibst zu Hause. Aber du bleibst zu Hause. Here you can see the verb position. Aber we consider as null position. So the verb will come at the second position. So do here, the subject is at the first position. Let's go ahead. Now the next word is den, which means in English because or since. Let's see how to use the word den. I can't come to the party. Ich kann nicht zur Party kommen. Ich kann nicht zur Party kommen. The second sentence is I have to work on weekend. Ich muss am Wochenende arbeiten. Ich muss am Wochenende arbeiten. Let's join these two sentences. I can't come to the party because I have to work on weekend. Ich kann nicht zur Party kommen, denn Ich muss am Wochenende arbeiten. Ich kann nicht zur Party kommen, denn ich muss am Wochenende arbeiten. Here you can see then is again at the null position and the verb is at the second position. We need to follow the order. I hope this is clear to you. Then we use when we need to give the reasoning. Let's go ahead. Next word is und. I bake a cake. Ich backe einen Kuchen. This is our first sentence. The second one is I eat the cake. Ich esse den Kuchen. Ich esse den Kuchen. Let's go ahead. I bake a cake and eat it. Ich backe einen Kuchen und esse ihn. Here you can see I have written ich in bracket, which means it is understood. Ich is there. Because the subjects are same in both the sentences, that is why we can avoid this subject repeating at the second time. But it is understood, it is there. Ich backe einen Kuchen und esse ihn. Again, we can consider here ich and the verb position will be second. Und is also at the null position. I hope this explanation is helping you to understand the concept, how to use und. Let's go ahead. Our next word is sondern, which means but rather. Let's understand it using this example. He will not celebrate his birthday today. Er feiert seinen Geburtstag nicht heute. Er feiert seinen Geburtstag nicht heute. The second sentence is he will celebrate his birthday on Sunday. We'll translate it like this. Er feiert seinen Geburtstag am Sonntag. Er feiert seinen Geburtstag am Sonntag. Let's combine these two sentences. He will not celebrate his birthday today, but on Sunday. Er feiert seinen Geburtstag nicht heute, sondern am Sonntag. Er feiert seinen Geburtstag nicht heute, sondern am Sonntag. That is how you will connect these two sentences and make it one full sentence. Let's go ahead. Oder, which means or. Let's take this example. You can write an email. Du kannst eine E-Mail schreiben. Du kannst eine E-Mail schreiben. You can call me. Du kannst mich anrufen. So here we have two sentences. Now let's join them. You can write an email or you can call me. Du kannst eine E-Mail schreiben oder mich anrufen. Du kannst eine E-Mail schreiben oder du kannst mich anrufen. Here again du kannst, that is understood, which is not here. And oder also we consider a null position. Verb will come at the second position. So that is how we will join these two sentences and using oder. Let's go ahead. Their trick now. The easiest way to remember these conjunctions is to have a trick word which can be memorized easily. And this word is do so. You can remember or you can learn or you can memorize only this word do so, and you will be able to remember all these 5 conjunctions. A stands for aber, D stands for den, U stands for und, S stands for sondern, and O stands for oder. Very simple, very clear. So you need to remember just one word and you can have the command on all these 5 conjunctions. All of them, they come at the null position, verb will come at the second position. That is, you need to remember. So I hope this video has helped you in understanding how to use these words, how to join 2 sentences using these uh, conjunctions. Thank you very much. Danke. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and also ask your friends who want to learn German. Share with them and do not forget to ring the bell. Thank you very much once again. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.